I wrote this in May of 2013, a hard blues song called We're All Dying. There's something that I think about every day. That I can't stay here to watch my sons and daughters' whole life. Because my days are numbered, and I'm gonna die somewhere. Then I'll be just a memory to my loved ones and my wife. You wanna hang on like you're gripping on a great big rope. I've seen the future, and I've heard the weeping at my death. Yeah, I'd like to keep on living, but there's a limit to my hope. There's days coming when I'll be a body that ain't got no breath. Yeah, we're all dying. Now there's a real cause for the blues. Yeah, we're all dying. So you better live now anyway you choose. We didn't ask or plan our own birth. We're all products of the earth, and we're all dying. Don't want to make you cry. My mother and father have both dropped dead. What I do will not affect them. They're not around to care. They're just images in my head. And that's all I'm gonna be when I'm neither here nor there. I don't visit the graveyard because I know nobody's there. And I never look skyward thinking somebody's looking down. Death would have no meaning if a life went on from there. And we're all gonna be dead, recycled, just ground. Yeah, we're all dying. Now there's a real cause for some blues. Yeah, we're all dying. So you better live now anyway you choose.